So welcome to the world of botnets. Here it's a map that Malwaretech.com has set in place. As you can see, nothing happens for the moment. The link, you will find it also in the description of the video. So in order to see something, I need first here to connect. So it's what I'm going to do, to see what happens if I say connect. And we start to see small spots happening. So those spots, they say that, hey, somewhere here something wild is happening. It might be the Wild West in there. So yes, you see that when we go on the top of this, we see the name of a first botnet. But before to analyze this or to give you some more information, here down we will see that there is a console where we see in which country something is happening and the name of the botnet. So you see that it goes really fast. And I will let it play while I'm giving some information. In case that you want to hide the console, you can click here up, hide console. So I will do it for you, that you see that the console disappears. Now I'm heading it back because it will be helpful for me. There is another mode here up. I don't know if you're going to hear it, but there are fancy noises associated to this that can also run at the same time. So for me it's not really interesting, so I will drop this. So here I will now give you some information on the kind of botnets we see. So you see here Mirai is the name of one botnet. That name means in Japanese the future. So it's a malware that transforms Linux computers into controlled bot, remotely controlled bot. And all those bots, they will constitute what we call a botnet. So a botnet is a net of computers that are controlled by remote hackers. They will use this to do concentrated attacks of all the computers at the same time. We have the kind of attacks which are denial of service attacks, where all the bots in the net, they start to bombard a website or a company's network or a computer. And usually the idea is to stop the possibility of that computer, of that company, to access any more internet. So this is Mirai, the botnet. I will take another one. You see that I take them here on the Central America. It's called Nivdort, and it's that brownish yellow. Nivdort is a Trojan horse that will steal information. It's not really sophisticated, although what does it mean? Not really sophisticated, because you have to write the code. So this Trojan will be used by other infections. It might mean that something else is going to come, and this can be the case for other Trojan horse that will go after your bank or financial data, spyware, ransomware. And as I said, it's really probable that this will bring some other malwares on your systems. So here now in blue and in shining yellow, if I can say this, or sunny yellow, you see Salty 3 and Salty 4. Those two kinds of malware are executed, and they can replicate themselves into files and in your file systems. Their goal is to infect your files. So it's a virus that will go and use your resources. This can slow down your computer, or it can delete or corrupt some of the data. And, of course, it will steal information. It can also pirate or take control of your screens. It can send emails in your name. So this is really bad, depending on the situation. And usually you get that virus through attachments that will be in your email. So as you can see, we have here activities which are in Europe. We have activities in South America. We have activities here in India. We have activities here in Southeast Asia. As you can see, there are quite a lot of activities in Europe, where Africa is a bit more quiet. So with that, I presented you one tool which names you can find here, and I will add it in the today's live description, but it's from the company malwaretech.com/pew. So I let you go into the descriptions a bit later and give it a look. So with that, you must know that those maps, they are the view by one constructor or builder of software. All those informations, they are coming up through probes that are located at different places in the world, that might be on the equipment of their customers. So it's a single company's view or a single organization's view of what's happening worldwide. It doesn't mean that this map is exclusive in the sense that there isn't anything else happening. It's just a view at certain, but you will notice that it's on those three specific bots that this system is working actually. So once again, just to say that there is a certain limitation in what you see here, and in the coming episodes I will bring other systems and you will see that their view is different. So it will be interesting to have this and to see those different maps that relate to viruses, malware, propagations in the world. So I'm looking forward to see you participate and maybe give me also some information and feedback about this. So I would like to thank the ones that took a bit of time to watch, to follow, to see what I was saying. And you can follow me on CU of course, on vision6d.com, the website. On YouTube, it's YouTube user/vision6d. So you can register to the channel. Don't forget to do this, to thumb up if you like it. You can even thumb down and comment. And of course on Facebook, it's Facebook and then Vision6D. You find the page. You can like the page. You can subscribe to the page. That's where you get the news, what I'm doing or what I'm proposing as tutorials. So with that, I'm just left with thanking you. I'm saying that for me, it's new to do those live sessions. So I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed it. And I wish you a good time. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.